Alright, we got a Craftsman 5-drawer toolbox. We're fixing to get right into the video right here. Ain't no dilly-dallying. Thing you want to do is turn this box upside down. Rip it open. Now you want to bring that here. Back over again. The box off. So listen here. New to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and product reviews. Welcome back, Van here. Alright, we got some keys. I'm not going to use this thing as what you would think you was going to use it for. This thing is going to be used for a griddle. There we go. That's what we're looking for right here. The wheels, casters. All right. Yeah. My pit ball griddle. I'm excited for this. We're gonna get these casters put on. One. You're gonna have 4 casters here, 2 stationary, 2 swivels. 2 of the swivels got locks on them. 2 stationary, you have 2 of them like that, and you have 2 like this. This is the lock. You use it for your foot to lock that wheel. Before we get any farther into this assembly, I know how to do it, but I'm gonna tell you what, these instructions are horrible. Boy, I'm here to tell you what, this does not look anything like what you would think would be happening. You take these little hickeys right here. I thought that whenever I seen it, I thought they would just snap in this hole. They don't snap in that hole, they just sit there like that. Take this tab, put it in here at an angle, wiggle it until these holes line up with those little pins. It does not look like what it's supposed to be, but I'm telling you, it is. And it takes a 10mm wrench, which is what I've got right here. 10mm. Oh yeah, this is crazy. I've never seen anything like this before. This is just don't make no sense why it would be sitting up like that, but that is the only way this would go, and it's in there good. So that's the way it goes. I thought maybe stick it from the inside, but nope, that's not what you do. You hunker down like this, just like that. Just the easy peasy. Just go with the flow. Just give it a little what for. Oh yeah, right there like that. And see, it ain't going nowhere. I don't understand it, but that's the way it is. I'll let you take a gander at this one too, from a different angle. Take that, just sit it in there. It don't snap in or nothing. Take this, put it at an angle, wiggle it. I was always told you wiggle it more than twice, you play with it. I guess I'm playing with it. Get up there, you son of a gun, you. All right. We'll start that bolt right there. Start this bolt right here. Gonna get her going. We're gonna twist her. I'm gonna twist her right on in there. I just don't understand why these mosquitoes keep landing on my nose. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, you don't need nothing any faster than that. Cause God dang it, that's the speed of van light right here, boy. God dang it. I can't wait to get this thing put together. Using that daggone portable griddle, tailgate griddle with it. I'll have all my other stuff in here too. Put this other wheel on. Alrighty then. Let's flip her up. Why do they want to put some dumb stuff like this on here? Why? Why do they want to put something dumb like that on here? Ain't that just a waste of money? God almighty. Jeez Louise. Good googly goo. Good googly goo, y'all. Hey, come off there. Butt monkey. This goes on top. Just like that. But I'm not quite sure how that's going to take the heat. So it may be going inside a drawer like this. Who knows? We'll see. Seems to be pretty nice. Besides the instructions sucking. Let's see how well it locks. Hey, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know when the next video is uploaded. Well, that's pretty easy. It locked pretty good. Alright. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the video where I'm going to show you what I'm going to use this thing for. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back, girl. We ain't got no mic drop around here, it's key drop. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording.